Living with a skin condition that leaves severe rashes all over your body. We're talking about psoriasis. For years, people suffering from the condition had only one option to get rid of it: painful weekly injections. But then in 2014, the first pill finally hit the market. 10 News reporter Shannon Valladolid shows you how a local clinical trial could change the way even more people receive their medications.
So the point is just not to stress it. And I usually get myself to where it does hurt.
For the past 8 years, Olga Clark has given herself 2 injections every week to treat her psoriasis.
I couldn't take a bath because the water burned my skin. My scalp was really severe to where I would constantly scratch and it felt like it was bleeding.
She no longer has rashes on her skin now, but Olga says at its peak, psoriasis took over her body.
There was not a spot on me, that was clear. There was not, my legs were completely covered, everything was covered.
Relief may soon be on the way. In an effort to challenge the only other pill on the market for psoriasis called Otezla, Dr. Seth Foreman with Forward Clinical Trials is conducting a local research study to put a new pill in the hands of patients like Olga.
Olga is one of hundreds of patients that I have on these injectable medications. And I can tell you that most of them, if not all of them, would prefer to take a pill like they do for their cholesterol or their blood pressure.
Dr. Foreman says the downside to only having one pill option is some patients could have an allergic reaction. Then it's back to those injections. That's why he says clinical research is so important.
In order for us to get there with other skin conditions like psoriasis, eczema, and for maybe even cancers in the future in oncology, the only way we can do that is by relying on these, what I consider heroes and heroines of the people who participate in clinical research.
Giving people living with severe skin conditions an option.
If I didn't have to take a shot, I would have been happy. But for them to be able just to start with a pill, I think that's going to be great for them.
In Tampa, Shannon Valladolid, 10 News.
As Shannon said, there is a drug on the market for psoriasis called Otezla, but it comes with mixed reviews. Some complain they have severe side effects. Others say it has really helped them deal with their condition.